is my first time at the Bird Paradise. Everything is new.
Is this going to YouTube?
Yes, there is some playground on the way in. And now,
They never introduce her. You must introduce Megan. You say Megan, this is Megan, my friend, my neighbor also.
You will improve your oral.
that's not improving my own.
You will have oral in P5.
Okay, never mind. This is the history of the Jurong Bird Park. So later, we will go in the penguin pool over there. I saw the penguin. Oh my god, it's so big. It's a tiger. But in the trend.
Bird presentation, please head down the stairs on the right hand side of the station.
Who packed for you?
Mama, I never eat breakfast.
What is this you are eating?
Cacao.
Cha-cha bao.
And it's one black. One black.
Oh.
Easy. This is my food. Yum 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 yum.
I mean, don't need Western Just not good.
Now we are at the playground. I'll show you. Now I'm just going to climb. This is the below. If the camera falls, it will literally directly fall on the sand. Make a shield and drop. Make a feet. And make a stinking shield.
Why? Why you scared? Huh? You scared of what? Hey, why you walk away? Not scared? Right in the face.
Right in the face. Hey. I show you. About how long are we reaching to the playground?
No, the playground we need to walk outside again. This is the...
It's like happy, happy, happy.